Video discussed about the standard ILDs for the reactions. In this video we will see the standard ILDs for shear force and bending moment. This is a simply supported beam. We have to find shear force, ILD for shear force at point C and bending moment for shear force at point C. So we will find the effect on the shear force at point C and shear force bending moment at point C when the load is at point A. We will apply unit load at point A, then unit load just to the left of C, just to the right of C, and at joint B. So in the first case, when position of the load is at A, the reactions will be Ra equal to 1 and Rb equal to 0. Now, what is shear force? Shear force, how do we find the shear force? So, what is shear force? Shear force is the algebraic summation of all the forces on the left side of the section. Here our section is at point C, left side of the section, or to the right side of the section. So in the first case, the position of load at A, so we will apply unit load. It is 1 at support A. These are the sign conventions for the shear force. Towards the left of the section, upward is positive, and towards the right, downward is positive. So in this case, towards the left, we consider towards the left side of the section, the shear force will be 1 downwards is -1 and 1 upwards is +1. So -1 + 1 will be equal to 0. So when the position of the load is at A, shear force at C will be 0. So next case, when the position of the load is just left of C. So in this case, the reactions will be B by L and A by L. So how did we find the reactions? We will take the moment at support B and moment at support A, and then we will get the values of Ra and Rb. Ra will be B by L, Rb will be A by L. So by taking summation or algebraic summation of all the forces towards the left side of the section, we will get shear force at, this is upward force, so positive, B by L, minus downwards, so minus sign, 1 will be equal to B by L -1, which will be equal to B minus L by L. So what is B minus L? This total length is L. We can also write this as minus sign, we will take common, so L minus B divided by L. So it will be, what is L? Total L minus B, A. So it will be minus A by L. Minus A by L. Similarly, when the position of the load is at right of point C, we will take the section at C. Towards the left side of the section, there is only one force, which is upwards and positive. So B by L. So Ra, which is equal to B by L. When the position of load is at support B, the left side of the section, all forces are equal to 0. So now we will draw ILD for this simply supported beam. When the position of load is at A, shear force is equal to 0. When the position of load is just to the left of C, shear force is minus A by L. So minus, we'll take it downwards. Minus A by L. When the position of load is just to the right of C, shear force at C is B by L. When the position of load is at B, shear force at C is equal to 0. So this is ILD for the simply supported beam. So now we will see the bending moment, ILD for bending moment at C. So for the bending moment, again the first case, position of load is at A. So we will apply 1 unit force at support A. The reactions will be R equal to 1, RB equal to 0. So we will get moment, bending moment at C. What is bending moment? What is bending moment? It is the algebraic summation of moment to the left or right of the section. So again we will take, first we will see the sign conventions. So we will consider positive bending moment when it is clockwise to the left of the section and anti-clockwise to the right of the section. So when we see to the right of the section, RB equal to 0, anti-clockwise, so RB into 0 equal to 0. So when the position of load is at A, bending moment at C equal to 0. When the position of load is at B, so when unit load is applied at B, we will take section at C. So towards the left of the section, RA into A. RA is 0. So 0 into A, again it will become 0. For the shear force, we have to take to just left of C and just right of C. For the bending moment, we can take it directly at C, or we will take at left of C and right of C, and then we will see. Both will be equal. So when the load is at just left of C, we'll take the section at C. What will be the moment? RA into A, and it is clockwise. So towards the left of the section, clockwise is positive. So RA into A positive. This distance it is just left to the section C. So the distance is nearly equal to 0. So 1 into 0, it will be equal to 0. So it will be A into B by L. A into B by L. So when next case, when the position of load is just right of the C. So in this case again RA, which is equal to B by L into A. So A into B by L, AB by L. So both to the left of C and right of C, both are equal in case of movement. So in case of bending moment, we can take directly at C. So from this we can find ILD for this is ILD for shear force at C. This is ILD for bending moment at C. This is, they have given us simply supported beam. So when the load is at A, bending moment 0. And the load is at C, just to the left of C and just to the right of C, moment will be equal to, bending moment will be equal to AB by L. And when the position of load is at B, the bending moment at C equal to 0. So these are the standard cases for simply supported beam, ILD for shear force and ILD for bending moment.